All right, this is our first day here in the brand new house.
Day number one.
Day number one, and we got a lot of work to do. We're gonna start right in on making some of the repairs, and we're gonna show you as we go along the way of all the things that we're gonna fix.
A ton
A ton, yeah, so many things. We're gonna start out with fixing some roof issues on the outside.
Yep.
A little bit. And then also, we're gonna show you the ridiculousness of what the previous owners did by putting nails literally everywhere throughout the house.
Everywhere.
So we gotta take those out and we gotta patch them so that we can paint, probably tomorrow. We're gonna paint tomorrow. But little prep work to be done. We're gonna show you what that looks like now.
So we have one of these panels fell down and we got to put a new one up, and as you can see we have a plethora of sweet wasp hornet nests literally littering the entire roof line. So we don't want anything in here living. This is our house, so we're gonna put a new piece up, screw it all in, and tonight when the sun goes down we will spray all of the wasp hornets and hopefully not have to worry about being stung by things.
This was the old piece that rotted out from the ceiling. It had a vent on it that I just propped off with that hammer. We went to Home Depot. Oh, there's the vent. Went to Home Depot and had them cut this little piece of wood here. We're gonna mark our vent, cut out the center, pop it up there, paint it, call it dead. So I just took a little piece of the broken part that fell over to Home Depot and they did a little match color. Just got a sample size, it's $5. Enough to cover this. And it'll match the rest of the house. And there it is, all complete. Probably not the way you're supposed to do that, but it'll keep the critters out and it fills that hole. And when we redo this roof in a few years, we'll do it the right way. But for now, we'll call that a job well done. So we've been working real hard getting the house cleaned up and doing a lot of repairs, but this afternoon we're going to take a break from all that. Blakely K is going to go see a friend in Tampa, and I'm going to take the kids to Clearwater Beach and have a fun day. So let's go do it. Gonna grab some lunch at my favorite place to eat at Clearwater Beach, the Palm Pavilion. Place that me and Blakely K had our wedding after party, and it is just fantastic. Let's go get some food. Happy Mother's Day, everybody.
Happy Mother's Day.
Especially to Blakely K here, and we're spending the day at Disney Springs.
Yeah.
Have some fun.
Woohoo.
All right, and that's going to do it for us at Disney Springs. We had a great day, didn't we?
Yes, best Mother's Day. Gideon!
We got our Gideon's cookies.
I made it.
Yeah, we did. You got yourself a T-shirt.
That's all I wanted today. Gideon.
That's it. She got it, folks. And then we also ate a deluxe burger. It was really good.
After some trial and error.
Well, you know, you ask for some things, you don't get some things, and then you ask for some things again, and then you get the things you want.
Yep.
So, you know, it worked out.
Mm-hmm.
And then we had a, what was it, white chocolate Oreo caramel apple.
That's pretty yummy.
It was delicious as well. Fantastic day
Very fun.
here at Disney Springs, and now we're on our way home.
I can't wait to stay.
Can't wait to sit down, so we'll see you in a little while.